anyone can be healed. The Egyptians believed in prayer as a solution to health problems, but they also had natural or practical remedies, such as herbs. It was a structured society with tools such as written language, mathematics, which enabled them to record and develop ideals, and it meant that others could learn from them. Archaeologists have found a number of written records that described ancient Egypt medical practice, including the Alberts Papyrus. This document contains over 700 remedies and magical formulas and scores of incantations aimed at repelling demons that could cause disease. The authors probably wrote them around 1500 BCE, but the document may contain copies of material dating back to 3400 BCE. They are among the oldest preserved medical documents in existence. The scroll provides evidence of some sound scientific procedures. Doctors appear to have had fairly good knowledge about bone structure and some awareness of how the brain and liver worked. According to the Alberts Papyrus, the center of the body's blood supply is the heart, and every corner of the body is attached to vessels. The heart was the meeting point for vessels that carried tears, urine, semen, and blood. Ancient Egyptians' understanding of the cardiovascular system as a surprisingly sophisticated, if not accurate. The mental illness. The documents described in detail the characteristics causing and treatment for mental disorders such as dementia and depression. The Egyptians appeared to have seen mental diseases as a combination of blocked channels and the influence of evil spirits and angry gods. Family planning. The scroll contains a section on birth control, how to tell if a person is pregnant, and some other issues. The Egyptians, there is also advice about skin problems, dental problems, disease related to the eyes, intestinal disease, parasites, how to surgically treat an abscess or a tumor. In addition, there is evidence that doctors knew how to set broken bones to treat burns. Some recommendations that physicians made then seem fairly sound to us now. They advised people to wash and shave their bodies to prevent infection, to eat carefully, and to avoid unclean animals and raw fish. Some, however, are less familiar putting a plug of crocodile dung into the entrance of the vagina, for example, was a method of birth control. People also use dung to disperse spirits, evil spirits. Dentistry. The Egyptians also practiced dentistry. Caries and tooth decay appeared to have been common. Remedies included common incense and iron to treat swollen gums, opium possibly to treat pain, drilling holes into the jaw to drain an abscess. However, they did not seem to have extracted teeth. In ancient Egypt, doctors worked alongside magic healers, and they worked as a team. What the doctors couldn't do, the magic healers could. And they had such a sophisticated society. To this day, they still don't know. Egyptians understood if it wasn't medicine, it was spiritual. And if it wasn't spiritual, it was what you eating, what you putting in your mouth.